How to find saved reels on Instagram. So to find your saved reels on Instagram, all you have to do now, let's say now go ahead and tap on this reel section. After you open this reel section, now go ahead and find the video that you want to save. Let's say for me, I want to save this video. To save the video, tap on this little three icon at the bottom right side. After you tap on this three dot now, tap on this, as you can see now, save button. So now I save this video. So now if I want to see the video that I save, all I have to do now, I'll just go ahead and tap on this section. As now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side, your profile. After you open up your profile like this now, tap on this menu at the top right side. Now scroll all the way to down and tap on this save button. After you tap on this save section, as you can see now tap on this, as you can see, tap on this all post. Under this all post, now you can be able to see all the reel that you save. As you can see now, here is the video that I just saved. Here is it. As you can see now, here is the video. That's it guys on how to save reels on Instagram and how to find save reel on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.